Space weather. Date April 14, 2014. Prepared jointly by the U.S. Department of Commerce, NOAA, Space Weather Prediction Center and the U.S. Air Force. Updated 2014 April 13, 22:25 UTC. Joint U.S. Air Force NOAA Solar Geophysical Activity Report and Forecast. SDF number 103, issued at 2200 hours UTC on April 13, 2014. AG1, minor, geomagnetic storm is in progress. Although the solar wind conditions were not very impressive, BZ-9, wind speed around 350 km per second. It was enough to shake up the magnetosphere. Analysis of solar active regions and activity from April 12, 2100 hours UTC to April 13, 2100 hours UTC. Solar activity has been at low levels for the past 24 hours. The largest solar event of the period was a C1 event observed at April 13, 2017 UTC from region 2037, S10E30. There are currently 6 numbered sunspot regions on the disk. Geophysical activity summary April 12, 2100 hours UTC to April 13, 2100 hours UTC. The geomagnetic field has been at quiet to active levels for the past 24 hours. Solar wind speed, as measured by the ACE spacecraft, reached a peak speed of 413 km per second at April 13, 2027 UTC. Total IMF reached 10 NT at April 12, 2117 UTC. The maximum southward component of BZ reached -8 NT at April 12, 2146 UTC. Geophysical activity forecast. The geomagnetic field is expected to be at quiet to unsettled levels on April 14 and April 15, and quiet levels on April 16. Solar activity forecast. Solar activity is expected to be low with a chance for M-class flares on April 14, April 15, and April 16. Solar flux 137 and estimated planetary A-index 16. The estimated planetary K-index at 1800 hours UTC on April 14 was 1. No space weather storms were observed for the past 24 hours. No space weather storms are predicted for the next 24 hours. Space weather by the Australian Bureau of Meteorology. Monday, April 14, last updated April 13, 23:30 UTC. Low solar flare activity with a chance of an M-class flare. Light solar wind. Geomagnetic conditions at quiet to unsettled levels. High-frequency radio communications normal to good. So far the space weather. Over 3 days is a new forecast.